Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, nice to see you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Nurul Ainaya. I am student of English Education Department, UINSA. Now in this video, I would like to present the explanation of my research proposal for my research proposal class. So, let's start. The title of my research proposal is The Correlation Between Students' Frequency in Watching English YouTube Videos and Vocabulary Mastery at Midwifery Department of UNUSA. In this future study, the researcher would like to investigate students' frequency in watching English YouTube videos for self-learning and in their daily life and its correlation with students' vocabulary mastery. Based on the previous studies, the subject mostly are students who learn English in general. Therefore, in this future study, the researcher would like to investigate midwifery students who learn English for specific purpose. Nowadays, a lot of students who take general English or ESP prefer learn by watching English videos on YouTube, and midwifery students are not the exception. Midwifery students need to understand specific medical vocabularies that related with midwifery profession. Those kinds of words could be found on English YouTube videos which content are related to health. More frequency of watching English videos about health in daily life has possibility help midwifery students improve their vocabulary mastery. The research question of this future study is: how is the correlation between students' frequency in watching English YouTube videos and vocabulary mastery at Midwifery Department of UNUSA? And next, the research objective of this future research is to find out whether there is a correlation between students' frequency in watching English YouTube videos and vocabulary mastery at Midwifery Department of UNUSA. This study limited on students at Midwifery Department of UNUSA. This research potentially has benefit for students, teacher, or lecturer. The midwifery or other medical students will understand the benefit of watching English YouTube videos in daily life and decide to watch more English video on YouTube as the alternative for enriching vocabularies that related with their field. With understanding the benefit of this activity toward midwifery students' vocabulary mastery, English lecturer of midwifery or other medical department could encourage students to watch English health YouTube videos more in their daily life for enriching their vocabularies, and could also consider to use English YouTube health video as media for vocabulary teaching at midwifery department or other. There are three definitions of key terms of this study: watching frequency, English YouTube videos, and vocabulary mastery. There are three previous studies that related with this future study. First, by Dena. This study focuses on the process of teaching and learning using English YouTube videos at class. It is different with my focus, which is investigating the correlation between frequency in watching English YouTube videos in daily life and students' vocabulary mastery. The second is conducted by Ramadan. The study takes engineering students as participants. Meanwhile, this future study take midwifery students for being participants who learn different kinds of English materials and vocabulary. The last study is from Dia. This research almost has same focus with my research. However, the source or platform of video, content, or program are different. It is from television, not YouTube. Next is the explanation about research methodology. This is a quantitative research. Quantitative design with correlational method will be used by the researcher to investigate the correlation between frequency in watching English YouTube videos and vocabulary mastery of students at Midwifery Department of UNUSA. The data that will be collected in this research are divided into two kinds of data, which are questionnaire results about student frequency in watching English YouTube videos and students' vocabulary test score, and those two kinds of data will be collected from about 30 students at Midwifery Department of UNUSA. The first data collection technique is using questionnaire. Participants will be given a questionnaire that has a purpose to reveal students' frequency in watching English YouTube videos, especially videos that related with health. The technique for collecting second data is vocabulary mastery test that related with medical vocabulary for midwifery program or profession. The researcher will use the questionnaire as the first instrument for data collection process. The questionnaire type that used in this research were multiple choice questionnaire and also Likert type scale. For the second instrument, the researcher will use vocabulary tests about medical vocabulary that related with midwifery program or profession. To find out whether there is a correlation between frequency in watching English YouTube videos and vocabulary mastery of students at Midwifery Department of UNUSA, the researcher will analyze the data using person-product moment correlation formula and SPSS application. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.